Alright, y'all, we finna fry up some barbecue chicken. First thing we're gonna do is cook up this skin and fat that I cut off and prepare it to feed to the dogs, because we ain't gonna eat it. And my dogs will love it. We'll come check with y'all again when it's cooking. We got our skin and fat frying up, making a little grease for us. That's all we need that for, is just to make a little grease for us. But we ain't planning on eating all that. We're gonna feed that to the dogs. They'll love it. We'll get it all out of there as much as we can. Y'all saw me miss that scoop and y'all didn't even say nothing. We get as much of that. Yeah, look at all that. Yeah, we gotta get that gone. We're gonna put our chicken down, season side down. I'm gonna tell y'all what them seasonings are in just a moment. Just bear with me. But I ain't gonna tell you right now. It's gonna be in a minute. Gonna get all the rest of that out of there. I got one more I need to fit in there. We're gonna try to make it work. Right there. Just like that. We're gonna let them sear on one side, and then we're gonna flip them over and cook them on the other side. Hey, baby girl. I told y'all I was gonna tell you about the seasoning. We're gonna put a little salt on there. She telling me something, y'all. I gotta see what she's saying. What'd you say, baby girl? Do what? Your tooth is loose? Yeah. You better take it out of there, baby girl. It's not ready. Alright, well, we'll wait till tomorrow the next day and we'll hook it to my truck. No. Alright. We ain't gotta do that. Y'all, that was lemon pepper I just put on there while I was talking to her about her tooth. This right here is onion powder. Slip some onion powder off in there. Slip a little garlic powder off in there. And a little bit of paprika. That's a lot of paprika. It'll be alright. We'll save that one for the wife. She like that paprika. Alright, we just gonna sear them off and then we're gonna flip them over. We'll go ahead and have a look and see if they done on the other side. They sizzling pretty good. Yeah. We got them seared on that side. A little bit. We'll wiggle them in here. Okay, we got one seared on that side apparently. Yeah, we got one seared on that side. We'll save those. Yeah. We're gonna let them cook just a minute longer and let them sear on up. Y'all, I'm gonna go and throw a little onion off in here too. I like onion. And my little girl was nice enough to go and pick me some wild onion out of the yard. I don't recommend y'all do this at the house. This is just me being crazy and eating something my daughter picked out of the yard. This may be grass, y'all. I'm not really sure. So don't be eating stuff out the yard unless you know what it is. We got some seared up a little bit. We're just gonna take them, throw them off in a gallon Ziploc bag for the time being. We ain't worried about getting them done at all. We're just trying to get them seared on one side real good. Those are still searing. We're gonna let them go ahead for just a few more minutes. And in this Ziploc bag, we're gonna pour some barbecue sauce in there. Just like that. And then we're gonna shake it up. Get that barbecue sauce all over them. Get them all covered in barbecue sauce. Good deal. Make sure these are searing up some. And they not. I'm gonna let them keep going a minute. I'm gonna end up burning my onions. That's alright though. We just have the onion flavor in there. If I don't let them be still, they ain't ever gonna sear up. There we go. We got the rest of them seared up. We're gonna flip them over and let them cook on the other side for a moment. We'll ease these barbecue ones off in here again. And we're going to ease these and sear it up into the barbecue sauce. And then we're going to turn our heat down and we're going to slow cook them the rest of the way. Alright y'all, we got them others covered in barbecue sauce. We're going to put them back on in there. And we're going to just dump our barbecue sauce off in there. We're going to let them cook on low until they're done.